When Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu heard Fabaka Abu Bakrin radiallahu anhu. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu wept. The blessed tears started rolling down from his blessed eyes and said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I and my everything, my entire wealth, everything is for you. I and everything that I own, that I have are sacrificed to you. Allahu Akbar. This Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam often says in many narrations that Jitu ana wa Abu Bakrin wa Umar radiallahu anhuma. Dakhaltu ana wa Abu Bakrin wa Umar radiallahu anhuma. Kharajtu ana wa Abu Bakrin wa Umar radiallahu anhuma. Allahu Akbar. Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiallahu anhuma came. I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiyallahu anhuma entered. I and Abu Bakr and Umar radiyallahu anhuma went out. This is the love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How much he loves these two great personalities. First Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala, then Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala. So if you are criticizing them, you know Imam Razi rahmatullahi alayhi says that إذا رأيت الرجل ينتكس أحدا من أصحاب رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فاعلم أنه زنديق. Allahu Akbar. That when you see a person, a man criticizing one of the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then know that he is a zindiq. You know, he is a heretic. He is a munafiq. He is a hypocrite. So we must remember this.